Don't know if you can see it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video gets enough likes, we'll come back here, film some more. Train slowly going over the bridge. Hope it has something special on it. That's a K train, I think, is what it is. If I am entirely correct. And I think it's this train that hit 2 pedestrians. If I'm correct, this train was going about 10 to 20 miles an hour, and it hit 2 pedestrians. So, was this the train that hit the 2 pedestrians? Yes, and hit two pedestrians. 100% positive. Going about 10 to 20 miles an hour. I guess they stood out from, suicide or something.
You say about miles per hour?
10 to 20.
That's 30.
He's doing 20 right now, but hey, I guess either them people are on something, or they're trying to commit suicide.
Don't put that in the video. I'm editing that part out.
They're trying to hit 2 people. So far, it don't look like nothing exciting. Put a bunch of oil or gas or something like that. Nice long little train. Thanks, Coach. Thanks, Scanner. Give me a nice beep. Thanks, NS. Give me.
Don't have to there,
I don't care. I still like to talk. Watching my new Lego videos. I talk all the time. Still nothing interesting, but we'll figure out here in a minute. I might have a DP. It's probably gonna have a DPU, so that's what I'm waiting on. It's probably because it's got something special. It's gonna be the DPU. I'm hoping the DPU has anything interesting. has BNS.
This is a double train.
It's a double
It's got
train.
manifest on the back.
It's got double train. It's got the manifest. It's got a manifest. Also known as banana fest. I come up with that. Banana fest. Get it? Manifest. Manifest. My uncle just said this is a double train, so you think it's gonna have a DPU?
If it's over 10,000 feet, it has to have one.
If this thing's over 10,000 feet, it's gotta have a DPU. You think it's over 10,000 feet? Yep, it's over 10,000 feet.
Right. I don't know. Like, you know, that's the end of the K-43 market. That's
6-minute long train. I hope this ain't 10 minutes. My camera will stop and start again. I hope this ain't. Can you edit videos together? This is a 6-minute long. Can you edit videos together? I didn't get a word of that. Hey, Caleb. Caleb, can you edit videos together? So my camera's gonna stop and restart again. Because I'm at 6 minutes. Which one, the Garrett's? What I felt. Yeah, I think you're gonna do a little bit of editing. It's a good 10-minute train. It's a BSR train. It might have more than one DPU. Well, there you go. That's just something weird. No DPU. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm sad that we didn't get to see no DPU, but we seen a train that hit 2 pedestrians, so enjoy.